Hello, good afternoon everyone. Time check 5 p.m. and I'm going to pick up MJ from work. Trying to use the GoPro Max. You can see it's installed. Just a try. Got a lot of cable ties because my mounts are not didn't fit with my older selfie stick. Okay. So we'll see how it works with our new GoPro Max. So shout out to JBG Travels, Dakol Salamat. Maayong hapon and maayong gabi, John Dolahite from Texas, USA. And to all our supporters sa among mga fans pod, na among mga kahigalaan, maayong hapon, hala kumbati. So may gani kay wala nag-ulan. Ringkot na sad ta. We're really excited about our new 360. And it's been a long time since JBG intended to send it to us, and finally it arrives. So can't wait to install it on our bike. So even though I need more clamps and mounts, but I'm too excited about it, so I use whatever I can just to put it in. So I was planning to, actually I ordered a longer selfie stick, about 2 meters, in order to get a more outer point of view, or zoom out, that didn't get the fisheye look. So hopefully it will arrive soon. So this is just our first try. So thank you again, JBG. Magana. Excited. I like it very much. And the audio mod for the GoPro. And of course, the long awaited GoPro Max. So let's see how it goes when I edit this video later. point of view, it's shaking a little bit, but maybe because of the stabilization. We'll see about that later. So shout out John Dulahite. Thank you so much as always for your support. I hope you're doing fine, amigo. So I can't wait to use it, not in the city, but to use it on the road trip somewhere in the mountainside, so to capture the landscape of the beautiful scenery. So hopefully we can do it sometime. Oh, let me pass through. So they are still waiting because the traffic officer is holding them. Thank you. So I am still looking and trying to order some clamps and mounts. Actually, JBG sent me a lot of ram mounts, but I need the end parts with the ball. So to attach it somewhere in my handlebar and to make the stick more stable. I've seen a lot of motovloggers using selfie stick and they only use one mount, but I kinda not to trust it because of, maybe it's because our motorcycles shock is too shaky, not like the bikes out there that ride smoothly. So they are comfortable with one mount attached to the selfie stick, no matter how longer it extends. But for me, I need to secure it properly. There's no rewind on it if I suddenly break it or fall it. Okay. Ang akong asawa nagpaabot na karon dito sa silong. She's supposed to be out 5:15 and I am 4 minutes late. 4 minutes away. But I think I can't make it because of the traffic. It is what it is. Maayong hapon kaninyong tanan. To Ohio Travels with Chris, Ami H, Grilled Mortal, hello.
MJ Samsung.
Oh, MJ is calling.
Han?
Ah,
Asa na ka?
CTC.
Nana ko din silong.
Okay.
Amping.
Ay. So my music plays automatically after the call. There we go. Let's take it. It is what it is. Ano tagi?
Ikaw. Pwede ta mag-highway, pwede ta mag-ukon.
Ay, bita?
Hmm? Pag-yumat ka?
Yeah.
Oh. Hello,
There we go.
hello, maayong hapon. Good afternoon, everyone. Today, finally, the GoPro 360 is put into action. Sarap.
Try lang, try. But we need better selfie stick.
Dili naman snatch.
Nobody will snatch it because we're moving.
Okay.
So it is what it is, the traffic. Oh, you said so, so we need to go. So hello, welcome to the city of traffic. You need to be active and vigilant
And defensive at the same time.
Of course. So, JBG Travels, oh. Naka 360. XRM lang ang motor, 125.
Oh.
Pero naka 360.
Sana all.
Okay, motor is allowed. Thank you.
Oh, look out.
Don't worry about it. AMG is so afraid if somebody will snatch the GoPro.
Yeah. Because it's not every day that somebody will use GoPro 360 over here.
Yes, we have. Okay. Go, 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 go. JD, when you come to the Philippines, you will ride with me. And let's squeeze and sneak around these cars. How do you like my driving, JBG? And John Dolhite? There we go. First in line.
Did you know that they are pushing me to go home early?
Oh, why?
I think they're planning to decorate something for tomorrow.
Okay. So by the way, tomorrow is MJ's birthday. 41st birthday.
Yeah.
Hi.
Uno.
So here we go. So morning traffic JBG. Morning sa una JBG ang likuan. Kuha na diya sa una agfa. Ano diya o agfa ang kanto. Karo na ay overpass.
BSP on the left.
If you remember likuan.
Then UCCP Church. Right there. No?
Yeah, UCCP, then to the right, Likuan to Pier, Makabalan. To the left, Vélez Street. So, nanay overpass din eh. Wala pa ni sa una, dili pa kayo ni traffic na magyapon sa una, pero dili yun bariya karon. Imagine 20 years back then, things are really different. I can't see it if it's on a 360 mode.
Would you want me to?
No, no need. Kita man eh. Dili na ko siya i-flat kay mas prone siya sa pag prone siya sa yang angle, sa yang axle to bend. So kana dili siya mag-bend.
You're learning.
It should be.
You're a fast learner. Here we go. Let's start turn.
Nakita na ko dani kung mangatol ko sa ko ilong.
Yeah.
Go, 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 go.
It's not even pedestrian lane.
It is what it is. Oh. Ah. Katol ko sa ko ilong.
Allergic rhinitis. Allergic. Bella Street.
So, thank you JBG again.
Thank you, Manong Juan.
These gadgets, and it's a good thing it's not raining, so we had a chance to.
Why, it's not waterproof?
It's waterproof, but we need to wear raincoats.
Oh, yeah. We need to wear the baggy raincoat.
And that's a lot of hassle.
Straight na rotonda?
No. Turn left. Alright.
Okay, bye. VIP hotel just got burned.
Oh. Can you see the red blinking on the GoPro?
Yeah. But the screen is blacked out.
Yeah.
I think na actually nakaset nga screen time.
That's better para sa battery saving.
Yeah. But it's blinking, so that means it's working.
It's recording.
Okay.
Lahiman mag signal si Angkol. Signal una ya liko. Nagiliko una ya signal.
Trouble is a friend and trouble is the best in us.
Honda Odyssey.
It's like is Isuzu MUX.
No, it's like Innova.
Op, op, op. Op, 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 op.
Ang mga competitors it's like Toyota Fortuner, Ford Everest, Isuzu MU-X, Mitsubishi Montero. Una sila nga mga platform.
Product line.
Napag yun, Nissan Terra. Muna sila.
Nissan Sierra.
Terra.
Okay, squeezing our way into the traffic.
Di ka gagi. Yamaha Scrambler.
Oh. The old Salina Bridge. Nice kayo ni tanawon sa kuha, 360. Gani. Nice gani, mas nice yun kung nagsiga pa ni sila.
Apa kayak motor Scrambler?
Which brand?
Yamaha. Mana yung mga naked bike? Parehan yung mga naked bike man eh.
Oh, so this is how the face of the city during rush hour. Did siya medyo traffic, but then it's moving, so you're not gonna stop forever. Na falling ko. Oh, nice. Pero, once, I think kanang bank tayo niya.
Yeah. Gwapo eh. Tamang gyapo sa Honda na. That's for long drive kay dako ang makina, dako ang tangki sa gasolina.
Ano sa front mo na sa unang tangki, no?
Yeah.
Bulking apart.
Nagwapo na siya kay dako na yaligid.
Tapos murag ka ng
But that's manual clutching.
clutch. So murag pareha kay Alex.
Yes. Nana ni mga suga pa sa dalan.
Polar.
Dili ba ka to?
Ah,
Cat eyes.
yeah. Here at SM, we've got it all. Nagpalit na ka o ba ho?
Mana?
Oh, very good.